Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
When HGTV brings back its smash hit series Celebrity IOU this summer, 8 new Hollywood A-listers will wield sledgehammers to help a special person in their lives get the renovation they need. The series returns with all new episodes starting Monday, June 21, 2021 at 9 p.m. Eastern Time, PT.
Take our lead.
Who pays for the Celebrity IOU renovations? In 2017, Jonathan revealed that when it comes to him and his brother's HGTV shows, they put up the money for the renovations by themselves. He said, "Everything to do with the project comes out of our pockets."
Make your mark, take our lead.
Linda Fan. M. 2018. Drew Scott, wife. Drew Scott and wife Linda Fan said, "I do," in front of 300 guests 3 years ago in an Italian destination wedding. But they did it first in a Tennessee hot tub.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.